Hey YouTubers, in this video I'm going to be painting my steering wheel. As you can see, it has some wear in it and it's not really nice to touch. Well, here I'm not sure if you can actually see it, but here, up here, it's really worn out. On the bottom it's kind of okay, you see it's not damaged, but up here it's just not good at all to touch it. So the surface is not really smooth here, so I'm going to be sanding it off with some really smooth sandpaper. And once I'm done with it, I have a not YouTube, but eBay, so a kit which I bought from eBay. It's a 3-component kit. Comes with a cleaner, with a paint, and with a satin finish. That was pretty cheap. Actually, the shipment was more expensive than the kit itself. And well, I hope I will not ruin my steering wheel. So let's do it. So this is some 320 grit sandpaper. I'll try with it first and then we'll see. Oops. That's not bad. So it seems to be smooth enough now. This is how it came out, you see. It still has some imperfections, but this is not what I'm going for. I'm going for a surface that will not get wet when I touch it, so it's kind of okay. It was smooth enough still. So now I'm going to clean it up. Next step. So next step is cleaning up the wheel. Let's go for it. Yeah. Don't be surprised if you do this. It will be pretty damn dirty. well, my steering wheel is usually pretty clean, so looks like it's done with the cleaning. So let it dry for a little while and we can move on to the painting part, which is cool. Okay, so now that the cleaner has dried off, I'm going for the second step, actually painting the wheel. I'm going to put on some gloves because I don't want my hands to be black, and we'll go for it. Okay. Let's see. Instruction says you really want to rub it in first now when you paint it. Well, so far so good. It's getting darker, but I've already painted the wheel a few times. I don't know if you can see it, but well, it's not that smooth because I didn't sand it to perfection, but those imperfections, those really like missing paint spots are gone, and it's already much better to the touch. And I'm going to apply some more layers of this paint, and hopefully it will get pretty good. Yeah, you see I've painted it all around. Here there's not too much difference because the leather was okay. And yeah, you can see it's not perfect, but it will be better to the touch. So that would be it, guys. Painted with the satin finish. It's almost dark outside, but with the flashlight maybe you can see that it came out not that bad. It's smooth. It doesn't feel like a wet dog anymore. It's nice to the touch. It's not perfect, yeah, but that disgusting feeling, you know, when you touch that worn out steering wheel is just gone. I'll let it dry out now, and the only thing left is to enjoy. Thanks for watching the video, and of course please subscribe if you liked it. Bye.